no!
Oh, Mike, no one's gonna stick their head through that if the paint's still wet.
But it's my masterpiece!
Why don't you just go get the one you did last year?
But I worked on this for weeks. I know. I've got a heater in the back of the van. I'll have it dry in no time. Won't be long now.
It's not fair. You sat in the middle when we went to the zoo.
It is so fair. You got to sit in the middle when we went to the fun fair.
Anyone want to turn on the siren?
And you sat in the middle when we went to the beach.
You did.
I'll take that as a no then.
Roll up, eh? Test your strength and win a prize.
Hear that, Trevor? Look, you could win me a teddy bear.
Leave it to me, Dillis. What? The machine must be broken.
Of course it's not broken. Watch.
Don't worry, Trevor. You can win me a coconut instead. Come on.
Let's see if she's dry yet. Oh, no one's ever gonna see my masterpiece at this rate. Okay, it's time to turn it up to the max. Hey, that'll dry you off, my little beauty. Ooh, and just enough time for a quick pizza while I'm waiting.
What? What's going on?
Oh, bad luck, Trevor.
I'll take another 10 balls, please, Norman. I have to win something.
Great tangled hoses! What's going on? Ah! Trevor!
I'm just trying to win a coconut!
Oh, well, this is intolerable. I'm going to have to move somewhere else. Quiddington, I need your help. I'm going to back up. Tell me when I need to stop.
Okay, sir. Keep going, sir. Keep going. And, yeah.
No, wait, what?
Yeah. Huh?
Quiddington!
Oh dear.
Get off! Shoo! Nasty seagull!
I love bouncy castles.
Me too! I can bounce higher than anyone!
Not higher than me, you can't.
Bet I can, Mandy! You wait and see! Hum!
Nobody's gonna be doing any bouncing till I get this unfolded and blown up. Maybe you two could give me a hand?
I bet I can unfold it faster than you!
Bet you can't.
Good morning, firefighters.
Hello, Fire Department Chief Boyce.
Is Fire Captain Steele around?
He popped out for some tea bags, sir. Can I help?
I just came to introduce Penny Morris's replacement for the day. Come in here and meet the team.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jerry Lee. Jerry Lee Cridlington, Elvis's cousin.
This is going to take all day!
I'm going as fast as I can.
Can't we use an electric pump?
We could. But I lent it to Gareth to blow up his inflatable, bouncy steam engine. Don't worry. Shouldn't take me too long.
Oh, I forgot the tea bags. Oh.
Well, hello, sir. A pleasure to meet you.
Not now, Cridlington.
Oh. Did you get the tea bag, sir?
Cridlington, what? But you... It can't be. You were... Cridlington!
Well, that's me, sir.
But you are upstairs.
What did I say?
There, one bouncy castle. Oh, I'm pooped.
Can we have a try now?
Not yet, Norman. It still needs to be pegged down.
How long will that take?
Hold your horses, Norman. Oh, my leg's gone to sleep.
Well, can you wake it up and go get the pegs? Please?
Hey, okay. But no bouncing while I'm away. It's not tied down yet.
Norman, what are you doing? My dad said it wasn't ready.
I'm just testing it. What's wrong? Scared you can't bounce as high as me?
Of course I'm not, but...
Come on then, Mandy. Prove it.
All right, I will. Woohoo! Okay, the rules are, our team has to stop your team from hitting this can.
And our team has to stop your team from hitting that can.
Well, that's not going to happen. Ready, steady, go! Yay! 1 point for us!
That's not fair. It's 3 against 2.
No, it's not. It's 3 against 3, Derek. You've got the super penguin on your side.
Yes, he does.
Oh no, I cannot believe we are related, Norman Price. Huh?
Mike, you'd better hurry up. It's getting dark. Soon the kids won't be able to see what they're doing.
They will now. Ta-da!
Shaky, 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 shaky. Woo!
Yes.
Looks like we've done it, sir. And there's still some sand left.
Marvelous! That old shaky, shaky, shaky method works like a... I'm fine.
Good thing we've got some sand left, sir.
Shaky, shaky, Sam?
Shaky, shaky, Ellie.
Whoa!
That's it. I'm not playing with you anymore, Norman, or that silly penguin.
Don't listen to him, Penky. Come on, we'll show them. That's it. I've stood up for you. I told everyone you're a super penguin, and all you've done is make me fall over and look stupid. Derek's right. You are a silly penguin.
Oh, my floodlights!
Off the ice, everyone! I can't!
I'd better call Fireman Sam. Hello, Punty Pandy. I'd like to introduce you to the new member of my band, the Strum Master 2000. Ta-da! That's a place I know where people say hello.
Your new band member's not exactly Elvis, is he, Dad?
He will be. Turn it up all the way, Joe.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Oh no! Elvis really wouldn't do it like that!
Dad, you need to stop!
Someone needs to call Fireman Sam!
Mike Flood's guitar machine has gone out of control and set the stage on fire.
Mike Flood's guitar machine has gone out of control and set the stage on fire.
Elvis, you and Ellie go in Jupiter. Penny, you and Arnold take Venus. I'll take Mercury. Ellie, Arnold, you get everyone to safety. Elvis, make sure the power's off. Penny, you help me tackle the blaze.
Roger that, Sam. Power's off, Sam.
I don't think the Scrum Master 2000 will make it through his solo.
Everyone, move back.
Yes, you all need to be at least 5.5 yards back for maximum safety.
All out, Sam.
I'm so sorry my guitar machine caused a fire, Sam.
Luckily, no one was hurt, Mike. Now, have you two got something you want to say to each other?
Let's get the band back together. Yay!
Juggling was great, but I missed your dubba-dubba boof-boof.
And I missed your plang, plang, plangity-plang.
Wait a minute. I never played plang, plang, plangity-plang.
And I never played dubba-dubba boof-boof.
I always played plang, plang, plangity-ching.
Well, I never heard a ching.
And as for your blam, blam, blibbity, blam,
I played blam, blam,
If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for